and we're going to start with your tortelloni. You're going to melt your butter. Put it on a low heat, please, not on a high heat. You're going to put in your sage leaves, put in your garlic. Now, what's going to happen with this? It is going to give it a little bit of browning. You're gonna have a small separation of your milk solids. Cook your pasta. Okay, so this has been 3 minutes. Take your pasta, okay, put it in your sauce. All right, toss your pasta, put a little tiny bit of water. This will help your pasta to cook. Salt and pepper, and serve it in your plate.